Hi everyone, this is Vivian and today's recipe is porridge, beans and vegetables, and we'll be using beans, green vegetable, crayfish and salt, onion, garlic and ginger, stock cube, scotch bonnet and tatashe, carrots, green and red and yellow bell pepper. I'll be using horse mackerel fish because I couldn't find croaker. This is red oil. So I'll start by blending the peppers. This is scotch bonnet, tatashe, ginger and garlic. After blending this, I'll be boiling my fish with some quantity of this pepper mixture. So here is my fish. I added some parts of the onion, some stock cube, the pepper mix, some salt, and I'll be boiling this to get some meat stock for my beans preparation. Also add a little bit of water to get some fish stock. After boiling the fish, you can set it aside. If you have an air fryer, you can go ahead and air fry the fish just like I want to do now. So I will be making these beans with a pressure pot, a manual pressure pot from V12 Imports. I'll be making the beans with some parts of the onion. This is crayfish and salt. This is my fish stock and some quantity of water. Then I will be stirring this properly because once I cover it, I'll just cook it without opening. So stir it very well. This quantity of water with the stock would have been the right quantity, the right portion to cook these beans, because the pressure pot cooks very fast, and the steam on the pot is going to help to cook the beans properly. Okay, it doesn't need a lot of water. So this last portion of water that I added was a very big mistake because the beans ended up looking mushy. So cook with a little quantity of water to get the right texture of beans that you want. It looks like my beans is ready, so I will leave this to cool off and then proceed with my pepper sauce preparation. So I will start by adding the oil, 3 tablespoons of oil into my pot, and then adding the remaining portion of onion and the remaining portion of pepper. Stir it properly and cook till the water starts drying. Okay, cook till the water starts drying. Adding the remaining ingredients, the stock cube and some salt, and then stir it properly before adding your beans, your cooked beans, into the mixture. If all the steam from the beans did not evaporate, the pressure pot is not going to open, so you have to calm down, allow it to cool off before opening. So my beans is properly cooked at this point. I'll be stirring it properly before adding into my pepper mixture. You have to stir this very well so that the beans and the pepper mix will combine properly. You have to stir it properly and then allow it to cook for some minutes. Then bring in all your vegetables at this point, your peppers, your carrots, and your green vegetable. I used pumpkin here, so you can use any green vegetable of choice. So stir this and then bring in your fried fish, air fried fish, not oil fried. So bring in your fish and then turn off the heat. The porridge, beans and vegetable is so ready. This food tastes yummy. It tastes so yummy. So thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.